Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Ooh, it's been a while. My hair probably looks like trash again. So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, there may have been another video out before this one, probably. I don't know, I haven't edited the video I have planned to come out before this one though, so who knows. My friends will probably kill me if I don't do that one first though. I don't really have anything to do today, so it's just a boring tramp sesh. And if you clicked on this, congrats on you. You'll probably click off in about 30 seconds. I also have the GoPro, which will make it hopefully just a little bit more interesting. Yeah. I think I need more. I think I need to be more interesting in my videos, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see if I can set my camera down and just jump out of frame. So set it down. Let's try jumping out of frame. Okay, but for real though, I'm gonna try doing it right there. I was so close and I almost landed double full. Well, I did land double full, I just kind of fell after. What the heck is up with my hair? I just noticed that. Low-key kind of dope, but I don't like it. You gotta be kidding me. My memory card ran out right before, like, the funniest fail I think I've ever had. I did a twist in. Like, I can't get all the way over, but it's as close as I can get on this tramp. And my skin stuck to the tramp, and it's probably still red now. Here, let's check. I don't know, but yeah, my skin stuck to the tramp and it really hurt and I started screaming, but my memory card was full and I did like a really painful backflip too for fun, which I wish I would have got because I thought it was funny. Gotta redo it, I guess. Oh, for the gram. Bad words love the gram. Instagram right here. TikTok right here. Go follow. I post about the same amount, nothing. Go follow them. Road to 100K subscribers or 1,000 on any platform, 2021. try and do a coating full, but get the arm thrown so it looks a lot cleaner. Find another angle. Let's put it on top of this grill, because before I was on the other grill. I want to do double ball out, but I'm kind of scared of it, so we're gonna see if it's even possible. It's definitely doable. I don't know, it's still a sketchy trick. Okay, Cody times 4. Coming to a fat lard near you. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do for angles. You can't get me wrong there. I think I'm gonna be out of frame most of the time, but who cares?